Hi everybody. In this video, I am going to discuss module in Python. First of all, you have to know what is module, then how module can be used, what are the steps to create the module. So first of all, we have to know what is module. A module is a self-contained Python file. It is a self-contained Python file that contains Python statement and definitions. It is a self-contained. Within this, we can write any definitions or any statement so that we can use it from any Python applications or any Python program. Before I'm going to create the Python program, just click the Python IDLE, Python this IDLE integrated development environment, and we create new file. Here we have to create the definition only. Suppose here I am creating def. I am creating definitions like addition. Within this addition, there are two parameters. Suppose x comma y, and z is the local variable. Z equal to x plus y, and just return this value to the calling function. Return z. Now create another definition. Suppose this is the subtraction. Control C, just copy and paste it. Subtraction is the addition and subtraction. And parameters same x and y, and return is z, and it is x minus y. Now create another function definition, that is suppose multiplication. Multiplication x into y, and another is suppose division. In case of division, if the y is 0, then result will be infinite. So check it. If y equal to 0, then print result is infinite. Result is something by 0 mean infinite. Result is infinite. Else and just perform the division. Else delete this line. Z equal to x by y, and return z. Check it whether the modules are okay or not. Save it. Save in a folder. Suppose in the desktop. Create a new folder, or I have created already a folder. Name is my Python package, my Python program, and save it. And name of the module is suppose my module. You can write any name. My module 1. Suppose my underscore module 1. Save it and run it. There is a mistake, so it will show the error. This close the double quote and run it again. Yes, there is no error. So modules are perfectly okay. Now close the module. Remember the name of the module is my module 1, and container of this module is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division function. Close it. Within the folder my Python, my module name. So this is the my module name is the name of the module. Now create another Python program where we can use the module or import the module. Suppose this is the next new file. Import my underscore module 1. Name of the module is my module 1. Suppose a is the variable where we take some input variable values. Input, enter first number, double quote, and next one is b equal to, next again int input enter second number. Now quote it, close. Now call the result, that is equal to c equal to, suppose my module my underscore module dot addition. Remember the name of the function is addition, small additions, I think. Okay, write down this small addition within this, suppose a comma b, and print the result. Print the result of addition, result of addition, code c, save it, save it, and suppose the folder name is my Python program, and save it as calculator calc.python, calc. Now run the program. Yes, the first number is suppose 33 and next one is 45, 55. My module 1, that is my, oh sorry, name of the module is my module 1, and my module 1, the name of this my module 1. So run the program again, and the first number is suppose 44, 55, and the result is 99. So we can use the module from any Python program. Just write down the import statement, then you can use them. Just remember, these are the functions within the module. Suppose I want to access the multiplication, then we can access the multiplication also. Module will help us to access the definition of the function. Suppose we are using multiplication. Suppose we are using multiplication, then we can show the result also. Multiplication, okay, run the program. Yes, enter the number, suppose for 4, another is suppose 8, addition is 12, and multiplication is 32. Remember the contents of the module, then we can use them from any program. We can use them, just use the import my module 1. And suppose I want to use division, you can also use division, a result of division. Division, just result of division, save it, run it. Just suppose 44, another is 2. The result of division is 22.0. So you can use the module from any Python program. Suppose I want to open another file. Suppose this is another file, and we have to write import my module, my module 1. And suppose we can access the division result. Suppose c equal to, directly access my module, my underscore module 1 dot, we want to use division, suppose division 4 comma 0, and print c. Suppose we can use from any we can use the module from any Python program. Let's run it, save it, and save within the desktop my Python program, save it, save it. Name we suppose calc2. This is another program, calc2. Run this program. So the result is infinite because something by 0 is that is infinite. Result return is none. Suppose this is the 2. We can run it again. Result is 2.0. So we can use the module from any Python program. So module is very important where we can store some definitions or statement so that we can use from any function program. So these are the important topics module in Python program. Let us see the folder. Now look at this the folder. There is another folder is created for the Python module. It is my module name, and within this folder there is another PICHE cache is created where module my module Python C Python 312, and this is compiled Python. So it helps us to access the module from the program. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.